Welcome to 1881 Fairport Road, a gorgeous and exceptionally well-maintained 4+1 bedroom home situated within the sought-after Dunbarton community of Pickering. The stone walkway lining the driveway leads to a stately arched portico, its double entry door finished with an oversized arched transom that allows the warm natural light of its west-facing exposure to flood into the home. The ceramic flooring of the foyer is continued into the powder room, then through to the kitchen area, while hardwood flooring enhances the warmth and intimacy of a formal dining room with bright light spilling through its window, the ambiance of a contemporary chandelier, and having two oversized entries off the main hallway, maintaining the open concept flow of the main level. Also finished with hardwood flooring, the formal living room is quite grand in its size and showcases an elegant light fixture with a ceiling medallion, backyard views and natural light through its large north and west facing windows, as well as a beautiful oak mantle with media and display niches surrounding a gas fireplace, which has the finishing touch of a stone-tiled hearth and accent border. Incredibly spacious, the kitchen and its breakfast area feature updated light fixtures, with ceiling panel lighting in the kitchen additionally brightening this fabulous open work area. The kitchen also showcases granite counters, a subway tile backsplash with a glass and stone mosaic accent border, great cabinetry storage, a stainless steel double undermount sink and appliances including an oven with smooth surface cooktop, French door fridge with bottom mount freezer, and a dishwasher, as well as the convenience of a chef's desk. While the kitchen window, the sliding door walkout in the breakfast area, and its companion windows are all finished with California shutters. The walkout opens to a fully fenced backyard that has two gated entries from the front yard and which features stone garden beds with mature trees and perennial plantings, a storage shed with a new roof, and a large stone patio area that stretches across the width of the home, with the stone continued along the north side of the property right to the driveway, and the stone walkway that led to the home's front entrance is continued to the backyard gate on the south side. All the staircases in this home are beautifully stained oak hardwood, complete with handrails or railings, and the upper level staircase first leads to the mid-level family room. Richly finished with hardwood flooring and filled with light through a Palladian-style window with light diffusing blinds, this incredibly spacious entertaining area also showcases a corner gas fireplace with a beautiful oak mantle with display niches, a stone-tiled hearth, and a stone accent border, while with its openness to the foyer below, also benefits from the natural light that spills through the front entrance's arched transom, as well as from the added brightness of a hurricane-style light fixture suspended from the foyer's cathedral ceiling. The family room is also open to the upper-level hallway, and this level showcases parquet hardwood flooring throughout, updated light fixtures, 4 bedrooms, and 2 washrooms. The second, third, and fourth bedrooms are all very spacious and have large windows for ample natural brightness as well as good-sized closets, with the fourth bedroom also featuring a walk-in storage closet. These bedrooms share amongst them the main 4-piece washroom, which features a ceramic tiled floor and bath area, as well as a vanity updated with a quartz counter and undermount basin, and this washroom also has semi-private access from the second bedroom. The master suite overlooks the backyard, and natural light through its west-facing window, as well as a neutral color palette, gives this personal retreat a fresh, airy atmosphere. Also featuring a lovely flush mount light fixture and a walk-in closet, its ensuite washroom showcases ceramic tile finishes throughout, a step-up corner tub, a shower area with glass door, and a vanity updated with a quartz counter and undermount basin. The sunken landing off the main level hallway is finished with ceramic flooring, which is continued into the laundry room, with this utility space featuring a washer and dryer, closet and cabinetry storage, as well as access to the garage and to the lower level. Fully developed and also having potential use as an in-law suite, the lower level is finished with ceramic flooring throughout most of its amazing storage spaces, which include multiple closets and a cold room, as well as in its eat-in kitchen, which has impressive cabinetry storage, a tiled backsplash, and includes fridge, stove, and a double sink. A combined storage area and washroom can also be found off the kitchen, while the remainder of the level features laminate flooring in both the spacious recreation area and in the bedroom, which has a large closet and a 4-piece ensuite washroom with a tiled floor and bath area. Steps to the Dunbarton Creek Ravine and Bonita Park, within the catchment area of Maple Ridge Public, St. Monica Catholic Elementary, Dunbarton High, and St. Mary Catholic Secondary Schools for their French immersion programs, and a short walk to top-rated William Dunbar Public School. This home is also just a short drive to the Pickering Town Centre Mall, the GO Station, and has easy access to Highway 401, as well as being close to the shopping, entertainment, and waterfront enjoyment of Pickering's beautiful Frenchman's Bay community along Lake Ontario. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 647-523-8201.